Dharmendra Pradhan, who is Education Minister of India, who is supposed to show us that education system of India is actually world class, who has the responsibilities on his shoulder to take our country's education system on his back and show us and lead us from the right direction of education system, work for the betterment of education in India, doesn't believe in the education system of India himself, because his daughter has studied from the at the Tufts University, which is in USA. This goes to show that he himself doesn't believe in the leadership. He himself doesn't care. He himself does not have full faith in his leadership, of course, because why else would he put his daughter into some other educational institute when he has world class institutes in India, right? So Piyush Goyal, both his children have studied in the Harvard University, which is in USA. Rajnath Singh, who is defense minister, whose job is to protect us from any kind of external pressure or external attacks that might come in our way, he himself doesn't trust the education system of India because his son has completed MBA from the University of Leeds, which is in UK. Yeah. Right, these all ministers have the power and authorities of changing India. They have the equipment, they have our taxes, they have our money, they have the policy, they have the legislative power, but they have no, I don't know, interest or no actual duty towards the nation or something, I don't know.